State of Uttar Pradesh. This is with regards to Mayawati dropping her nephew as political heir of hers from party post till he becomes quote-unquote mature is the statement that Mayawati has given. Now BSP in further disarray has said that Mayawati sacks Akash Anand as national coordinator and disassociated him as a successor till he attains quote-unquote maturity. Listen into some of the reactions coming in within the same story.
मायावती बहुजन समाज पार्टी को एक प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी की तरह चलाती हैं और इसीलिए जब जेल में आता है जैसे निर्णय करना चाहती हैं वैसा निर्णय कर लेती हैं, क्योंकि वहां तो एको अहम द्वितीयो नास्ति। मायावती जी जैसा चाहे वैसा निर्णय कर सकती हैं। आकाश आनंद जिस तरह से गैर जिम्मेदाराना बयान दे रहे थे और भारतीय जनता पार्टी को लेकर के जिस तरह की अपमानजनक टिप्पणी उन्होंने की थी, जनता के बीच में उनका बहुत आक्रोश इसको लेकर के पनपा था और मायावती जी ने इस बात को महसूस किया, इसीलिए आकाश आनंद को तमाम जिम्मेदारियों से मुक्त करने का काम किया है।
Siddhant continues to stay with us on the broadcast. Siddhant, tell us, can this be looked upon as a repercussion of the kind of statement that Akash Anand actually made in one of his rallies, a controversial remark against the BJP members? Can this be looked upon as a follow-up of what exactly he said?
Well, look, it was a surprising move yesterday when Mayawati announced that she is sacking Akash Anand from the post of national coordinator, and he doesn't even remain as her natural heir till he matures. So that was a statement that came from Mayawati's ex account. Now, there are many factors to it. You are absolutely right. There was an FIR which was launched against him for calling Bharatiya Janata Party Atankiyon ki party, which did not go well with the cadre of Bharatiya Janata Party, and there was a strong sentiment and reaction that we witnessed post that statement of Akash Anand. That could be one reason. The second could be that because of that statement, there was that has damaged Bahujan Samajwadi Party to an extent, and this could be one of the reasons that Mayawati decided to for a time being, to remove him from the post of national coordinator and also as her heir. But the fact is that because of the presence of Akash Anand in these elections, because he has aggressively campaigned for Samajwadi for Bahujan Samajwadi Party, and he was sort of a face of Bahujan Samajwadi Party since Mayawati is not campaigning. So he was, pulling a lot of crowd in his rallies and in his public meetings. So if this decision has been taken, then it could be something even beyond what we are talking about, even beyond the FIR and the case that has been lodged against him. Because to make Akash Anand step down from the post of national coordinator, somebody who was kind of creating a spark energy into the cadre of Bahujan Samajwadi Party has now been asked to step down. Is something which BSP should come and clarify, but they haven't clarified yet. But what we have understood or perhaps interpreting at this point in time, that this decision has only been taken because of the FIR that has been lodged against him. And in BSP camp, getting an FIR registered is always considered as a big thing. And maybe that is the only reason that Akash Anand has been asked, or maybe Mayawati wanted to protect him for now because he's too young for the mainstream politics. So maybe Mayawati wanted to protect him because since FIR has been lodged, there could be future legal repercussions also. So maybe to protect him, this decision has been taken. But that time will tell only why this decision.
Right, Siddhant. Thank you so much for walking us through all those crucial updates, over all those breaking updates that we got for our viewers from the state of Uttar Pradesh. Right now, shifting focus to the state